Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hi kids, today we're gonna unbox a mini vacuum. Let's start. I think I can open it up. Well, this is, you could change it. You could change the vacuum. This is what you can use for dust and small stuff, I think. And well, it actually works. Okay, let's do it. See, you can stand it. I'll do it later. See, it's orange. It's so cool. It's like a lightsaber. Next. And the main part. Look, wait, they said you can take off this. See, look at this. What do we hold? Oh, here. See, it's like a gun. You press here and it will clean. Okay. They said we can try it with this little dirt. So, and they said we can open this, so let me open it, but very careful first. How do we get that out? Oh, and I think there's something here. Just do it. I need these instructions. Okay, I got it. From digging it in that box, I found a collector's guide. Okay. But I need to know how to open the thing. How do we do this? How do we get the small stuff? Okay. Wait, did it really say something? Oh, we can't take that off. It's just like a decoration, but it really works. So this is good. Again. The dirt comes out from here, this hole. That's why Okay? Let's build this. Step 1. I'm gonna try it for this one. I think like this. Wait. Wait, can I take off this one? No. So that one is like, I did it because we can take off this. Okay. What's this? Oh. It's a big gun. We could also put like this also. I think we could. But let's try this. Whoa. Really big. Oh, yeah. Like this. But I still need some battery. I think I need it. Oh, oops, I made it a different way, so I have to fix it. It's like this. Okay, got it. See? I can change it with this. Yeah, that part. And yeah, the only thing I need is a battery, so we can try that for you. We're just gonna get some batteries. We just have to wait. We just have to wait because the battery's good. And yeah. And it may take a bit long, that's fine. Because they have to unscrew the battery in, unscrew, put the cap on, put unscrew, and put the screw out, and yes, take a while. You have to get the battery. You have to get the screw down. You have to get everything. It takes so long. Yeah, ta-da! It's so long! Why am I having so long? But are you excited to leave? I'll be a helper for your mom. So I can help her with the church activity. I can vacuum on another eye. What? I'm so happy. I'm so glad they bought it for me. What's that? That's never been there before. What's that? It's not from this, because it's not that fancy. It's fine. Nobody's so happy to use it. But let's describe. I'm here. You can see me now. You can see me right now. You can see me now. You can't see me now. See me now. No, you can't. I'm so excited to come in. Oh, the battery is in here. Let me stand first. I need to get this first. Oh. Okay. It's really clean. The dirt comes up from here. So. Oh, there's a lot of dirt. It's fine. Let's try the other one. Let's try this one for the bigger ones. Because the flat ones, it does like spider web sometimes. When I do. Wait. Let's go. Press the button. No dirt. It's good. Okay, I think it's secured. Let's go. I saw it. Just got the dirt. Okay, got more dirt. Wait, it said, remember I said this spins? So let's see. It spins! See? Okay, let's take out the dirt. I'm gonna put it in the box. In this box. Okay, and put it in the other box. Right here, in this hole. Okay. Flip like this. Oh my god, that means there's a lot of dirt on my table. Come on, get up. Okay. Yep, that means there's a lot of dirt. I don't need a collector, guys, anymore. I'm so happy with this. It's a gun. I usually do this as a gun. And they said, if you put this, you put it on the floor. I'm the perfect age. It's the perfect. It still goes on the floor. And look. Let's try this one on the floor. This one. Okay, let's go. Pew. Whoa. I'm really clean. Oh, so much dirt in here. Can you see a few? So much dirt. I can see there and there. And wow, there's a dust. See? This one cleans the spider webs. That's why there's a spider web inside. Let's see if there's dirt here. Super clean, no dirt. Okay. So much dirt. That means there's so much dirt on our floor. Let's clean a bit more. It's good it's not like a real vacuum that will suck this thing. I can do this one on carpets. It's really straight and clean. It's so awesome. Okay now, bye.